quick tip here. A lot of businesses or business owners actually make use of you know Facebook page, and this is not a bad thing. you know Having a Facebook page is actually good for your business. People can come there and see what you do, and get familiar with your brand and your products and whatsoever that you're doing. It's rendering services or product or whatsoever, and that is a good thing. But this is it, yeah. Facebook has actually cut back on promoting pages. All right, they used to promote page before as a normal post. So if you post on your page now, Facebook do promote it normally. Before, you can just go on your on another account and check other feeds and you see your post there. But now they don't do that again, unless you are paying to boost the post. All right, so if you are posting from your page, from your Facebook page, it doesn't get to a lot of viewers. It doesn't get to a lot of people anymore, because Facebook has actually cut down on that. They need to make their own money also, so we can't blame them. But this is a tip, yeah. So you can make use of Facebook groups instead of Facebook pages. I don't know if you're getting me. Having a Facebook page is not bad, but making use of a Facebook group has more potential of generating customers for you than a Facebook page. And why is that? Is because Facebook page is a combination of people who have come together to say, okay, I have interest in this particular thing, and then they subscribe to be in the group. So now, if you are posting in the group, you are posting to people who actually have interest in what you are doing. If you are posting in the group instead of posting on pages, that means you are posting to people who have interest in what you are doing. Let's say, for example, you sell sneakers, all right, shoe sneakers, and then you already have your Facebook page, and now you want to start posting on groups, all right. So you now go on Facebook and then you search for sneaker groups, all right, and then for your location, and then they bring up different groups that you can join. Then some of these groups you can see as much as 100k members, you can see 70k members, you can see 20k members. So now if you post in any of these groups, that means your posts are going to 100k people that are interested in the sneaker that you are selling. Do you understand now? So posting on Facebook group is more effective than posting on Facebook page. I hope you understand this, and I hope you utilize it for your business. Thank you.